Hello, here we will solve the GATE 2024 Life Science question paper focusing on the botany section. Now let's begin. This is the question number 57 from the GATE Excel paper. This is the matching type questions which states with reference to agrobacterium deficiency mediated plant transformation, match the virulence factors provided in group A and group 2 the protein types, so we need to match it correctly. So if we see VG, actually VG act as a response regulator, and definitely it activates the transcription of all other VG genes. So it is a transcription activator of all other VG gene, and definitely they are participates in the constitutive expression. Now, so if we see the VG, that definitely it matches with the three of group two. So P matches with three of group two. Then if we see the VRA, V actually encodes a transmembrane membrane-bound sensor protein histidine kinase, and act as a receptor for uh, acetylcysteine. And also autophosphorylates VG proteins. If we see, so it has the histidine kinase activity. So VA that will matches with one of group two. Also Q with one. And if we see the VE, VE it is a single stranded binding protein, that is BP, single stranded binding protein, and that binds and coats the single stranded tDNA, and this actually protects the tDNA during the transfer process. So it is a single stranded binding protein. So according to this, R will matches with 4 of group 2, and if we see the VC, VC it has the helicase activity, and definitely they uh, assisting the strand separation of tDNA. So strand separation, they involved in strand separation, and tDNA they also involved in tDNA processing. So VC has the helicase activity, so it matches with the option 2 with the group 2. So S with 2. So if we see the options one by one, we will see that this one is wrong. This is also wrong. P2, this is also wrong. So P3, Q1, R4 is 2. This is the correct option for this question. So coming to the next question, that is the question number 58. It is also a matching type question. So group 1 represents the name of plant products, and group 2 represents the source, and group 3 represents the parts used. So we need to match it correctly. So if we see one by one, licorice. Licorice is produced by the Glycea glabra, and they are actually accumulated mainly in the root. So P matches with C and with B. Next, if we see that is quinine. Quinine is obtained from Cinchona calycia, and the parts are actually in which they accumulate. It is mainly the bark. So Q matches with 1 and with D. If we see the next, henna. Henna is obtained from Lawsonia enormis. Lawsonia enormis, and the parts actually in which they accumulate is mainly in the leaf. So R matches with 2 and with A. And lastly, if we see the saffron is obtained from Procas sativus, and the parts used is actually the flower, or more precisely in the stigma. So according to this, S will matches with 5 and with C. Now let's see the option. P3, Q1, D, R2A, and S5C. So this is the correct answer for the question number 58, and all the remaining option is incorrect. So thanks for watching.